Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, dudes and dudettes. Welcome back to the Deived channel, the channel where we talk about the stock market, crypto market. I drop videos about blogs and music. Check it out, guys. The link is in the description. I'm still a little bit sick, I'm gonna be very honest. So let's make this a quick one before the week is over and before the last session of the market opens. Let's get it, guys. By the way, if you have any recommendations or suggestions, go ahead and submit them in the chat right now, guys. We'll definitely love to see that from all of you. But anyways, let's get it started, guys. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the stream. We're checking the pre-market heat map and crypto bubbles, and there's a lot to talk about. Jobs data just dropped, unemployment ticked up, and Wall Street is reacting. Let's break this down together. Grab your café and let's get started. So US jobs data, guys. The first things first, US jobs data came out in much weaker than expected. Only 22k jobs added versus 75k expected. Unemployment rose to 4.3%. Manufacturing jobs were hit hard, negative 12k. Government jobs also down. This increases bets on a Fed rate cut this month. 98% chance priced in. Market reaction: futures green, yields down, and stocks ready. Engagement line: do you guys think the Fed should cut now or wait until CPI next week? By the way, so the S&P 500 futures 0.3% up, Nasdaq 0.7%, and the Dow futures are negative 0.1%. Let's go ahead and move to Tesla. Tesla coming up. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, here it is. So Tesla stock is up pre-market after unveiling Elon Musk's $1 trillion incentive plan. Oh my god, guys, what do you think about that? That's crazy. $1 trillion will give Musk up to 25% voting power if Tesla hits insane milestones. For example, 8.5 trillion market cap, 20 million cars sold, and 1 million robotaxis and 1 million Optimus robots. And Tesla currently is at $347 pre-market. Guys, this September is looking bullish for Tesla. That's crazy. And the big focus is on autonomy plus AI future. Is this crazy ambitious or totally achievable for Elon Musk, guys? Let me know in the chat. Definitely would love to hear your opinion. Next up is gonna be Nvidia. Nvidia 169 pre-market from 171. Foxconn posted record revenue, citing strong demand for Nvidia GPUs and Apple orders. Nvidia still trending as the AI leader despite China pressure. Who else thinks Nvidia is still the king of AI chips even with China issues? Sorry guys, still a little bit sick. I'm not able to imitate the Cheeto Man well. But anyways, I'm joking, guys. Okay, Apple, ladies and gentlemen, looking very, very good in the monthly candle. Look at that, guys. Bullish. $239.85. Apple hit $9 billion in annual India sales, opening a new store in South India. iPhone Air coming on September 9th. Okay, let me just add that, guys, over here. September 9th is like very, very close. Oh, literally, that's, wow, that's crazy. That's coming up. What was it? The Apple iPhone Air, bro. What? We will have to wait and find out what that will do, but I don't know. A lot of people are just waiting for the AI to come out. but JP Morgan says it could surprise to the upside. Would you buy the iPhone Air if it's priced under $800? I may do it, guys. I may do it, but we'll have to wait and find out if it's actually good. Now let's move to the BioNTech. BioNTech. Wow, look at this, guys. Wow, there's a great potential for upside here, guys. We're already moving up. Look at this. From 103 to 113. But why did it go up 8%? It went up on positive phase 3 breast cancer trial results. Could open the door for new treatments and more global trials. BNTX, ladies and gentlemen, look at that. Pre-market already up. More than 8%, 11.15%, guys. Not bad at all, huh? BNTX. And there's great potential for more upside. So keep an eye on that, guys. You look at the weekly. We got the 2-pole oscillator giving us a buy signal here. So, oh, bro. And the daily looks good. Keep in mind, we're already leaving a gap here. So that gap can be closed out. And once that gets closed out, put a trend line. When that trend line gets broken, gotta create a double bottom, and then we can push up. But anyways, moving forward, guys, with, bro, a lot of women love this one, and it is Lululemon. Lululemon, bro, look at that. We actually had a great trade here. Amazing trade, but everything that goes up must come down. And let's add some trend lines because it's been a while since I even actually looked at this. Look at this, guys. We had an amazing run. Let's go ahead and add some trend lines here. This is in a downward channel. Actually, yeah, here we go. There you go. We're in a downward channel. Let's keep an eye on that. But what happened to Lululemon? Stock down, double digits, tariffs, and fading consumer demand crushing earnings. Millennials and Gen Z aren't as interested in their lounge wear. Analysts say recovery might not come until FY 2026. Is Lululemon just out of style now, or do you think they can bounce back? Let me know in the chat, because I'm gonna keep an eye on this. Already have seen great numbers, but I don't know, for some reason this was too crazy to go up, bro. 2017 it was at $67. When COVID hit, we went down to 136 and pushed up to 488. That's a crazy movement. Let me go ahead and clean this up, because now I think we have a bit of better structure. It's already capitulating, guys, and we had a double top, so that double top pushes us down. I even think that this may push up one more time and push down once again. So I definitely want to keep an eye on this. And let's add a support level here. I see a support level there. Okay, I think at 130s, maybe even $100 will be a great price point for Lululemon. But enough about Lululemon. Let's talk about Broadcom. AVGO. AVGO stock soared after beating earnings. Let's go ahead and add it here, guys. Wow, look at this AVGO. We call it out, guys. You can see the upside we had since we started investing in it. 180s. Yesterday it went to 305, 69%, and today, boom, 97%. Congratulations for those who were patient. Wow, that's amazing, guys. We even reached Morgan Stanley's and Jeffrey's target. But let me give you a little bit of more clarity. So the stock soared after beating earnings, plus new $10 billion AI chip order from OpenAI. AI revenue growing 63% year over year. And the CEO, Hock Tan, staying until at least 2030. With Broadcom now powering AI chips, Could it rival Nvidia's dominance? Maybe, maybe not. Two different aspects of business. I don't know. And that's what I wanted to review with all of you guys. All of those news. I know there's a lot of things that we gotta keep an eye on, but the most important one was the non-farm payroll. I didn't even get in the market this week because I was waiting for this, and it came out. So you can see average hourly earnings 0.3%, stayed the same. Non-farm employment change 22K, lower than expected. And you can see, since it was lower than expected, it actually is making the dollar weaker. And unemployment rate 4.3%. Basically, it met the expectations. Last things for today will be President Trump speaking at 3 p.m. And that will be it for the week, and you guys can go rest. I'm kidding, guys. I hope that you guys rest. Don't get sick like me. You can see that the dollar is definitely getting weaker over here, guys. You can see second touch over here. Resistance didn't break. We're going back to the support, and I really think that the dollar may be dropping to, actually it could be dropping to this level first. Let's see what happens here. This is the first level that I'm gonna keep an eye on, the DXY. We already reached it, but how it's looking like, it may even drop further. I don't think the dollar will recover as easily as I expected this year. Maybe it will be next year. It has to create a double bottom. It has to create a good double bottom, honestly. We actually broke over here. This is not looking for the DXY. So that means that the euro actually shot up, and I was expecting that since like earlier last week. I just didn't want to get in the turbulence of the NFP. GBP, as you can see, has gone up as well, and the USD APY has gone down, sorry, since we are obviously against the dollar. So the USD APY going down. I want to see a big double bottom somewhere. I want to capitalize on the opportunities that may come up very, very soon. I don't know. We'll have to wait and find out. But nevertheless, the market has opened. Let's go ahead and take a look at the stock market heat maps and the crypto bubbles and see how the markets are performing before the weekly candle closes. AVGO, as you already know, going up 14.75%. Tesla with the good news, 3.5% to the upside. Oracle 3.1%. Nvidia down, negative 2.8%. We got more gray than red and green. And look at this, Coinbase 314%, $314, 2.5%. Apologize for my errors, guys. And look at the crypto bubbles. We are recovering a little bit. It seems like we got some green just because the dollar is getting weaker. Yes, sir. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the gold. Bam. New all-time highs, guys. Gold should be going to 4,000. I really see 4,000 hitting. And whenever we get that, we should be retracing because it is a psychological number. Maybe not even 4,000. Maybe we just get 3,800 or 3,900. I don't even know. And I'm not gonna get in until I see some rejections or whatever. Because if you didn't get in at 3,400, I wouldn't even touch this. Not even gold. Man, the only pullback here, 3,500, was a good entry, but it's still not the perfect one. But it was a good one though. Now let's go ahead and check out. Let's see. Bitcoin, 113,000. There you go, guys. After the break of the trend line and the NFP news, we're looking good. The dollar getting weaker, Bitcoin getting stronger. It's crazy that Bitcoin and gold both are actually pushing up 2.19%. Ethereum with a beautiful double bottom. Look at this. Beautiful double bottom. Trying to break this. Oh my God. Inverted head and shoulders, guys. Look at this. Yes, sir. Inverted head and shoulders is a triple. Look at the consolidation. This is why I didn't enter, guys. The whole week was like this. But now we're getting a little bit of directions. And look at Ethereum, can be reaching once again to 4,800, which is about 8% away. XRP 2.87, finally getting better structure. Yes, sir. Hopefully we get to break that trend line, but we're still in a downtrend. Cardano 84 cents. Some people were saying that this could go to 40. If it goes to 40, I will love that, but I don't know, man. I don't know. We'll have to wait and find out, like always. There's another trend line that I want to keep an eye on, and this uptrend, I just don't. Actually, yeah, it looks good. It looks good. This is actually looking good. If it breaks this trend line, we should be good, bro. We should be going up. We are already. And Dogecoin 21 cents. Solana 209. Some people were saying like if this could go to $50, but with the current NFP, I don't know, man. This may be actually going up, and it is going up. Out of all the crypto, this is the one that held up the most. Let me look at other cryptos. For example, Jasmine. Let me look at Jasmine. Not doing that well. And that's it. Let me see other companies that I've been looking at. Rivian, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my God, Rivian did go to $15 and back to $13.78. Not bad, not bad. I still like Rivian. I do like the products, so definitely want to watch out for that. Palantir is at 157. Ooh, Palantir with a bullish candle. Oh, I'm breaking the trend line. Come on, bro. This is gonna continue. I think we can continue. Look at that. It's starting to become bullish on the daily. TeraWolf 8.99, still holding. SENS 44 cents. Sadly, it had to come down. Some people are weak hands, bro, so they're selling here. Even though with the bullish news, there's a lot of bullish news. Let's see something else that I'm keeping an eye on. JetBlue is at 524. Look at JetBlue, bro. Ooh. JetBlue trying to break out of the resistance. Maybe one more push down could happen. This is looking good, bro. This is actually looking good. Look, it broke this trend line, bro. This is looking good. Tilray 1.22. Interesting. Something to watch out. Tesla 350, guys. Look at that. We're gonna be breaking that resistance. I'm so glad that I'm still buying with DCA. Intel 24. Ooh, Intel looking good, bro. Intel is actually looking good. AMD. Oof, AMD starting to. There you go, guys. I told you, bro. Broke a trend line. Hit a very important level in the Fibonacci. And now it's time for me to do this. Trend line. Okay, Nokia. Ooh, Nokia looking good. Come on, Nokia, get me back up. I'm liking this. And that's gonna be it. That's what I wanted to review today, guys. If there's any comments, suggestions, companies, crypto that you want me to review, just go ahead and submit them, guys. I'll take a look at it. I don't mind. I'll do a technical, maybe do a quick review of any news that's coming out. And you already know, guys, that we do this every day, almost every day, even when I'm sick. But I do it with mucho amor, guys. I do it to keep myself updated. I'm just passionate about the markets, about music, and hopefully you guys enjoy the ride with me. That's gonna be it for today, guys. Those are today's big headlines. Weak jobs report, Musk $1 trillion plan, Nvidia still trending, Apple growth in India, BioNTech drug win, Lululemon in trouble, and Broadcom is surging. Ladies and gentlemen, that's how it is. Drop your tickers in the chat, comment section, and we'll check them together. You already know we do the videos con mucho amor. And as always, have a beautiful day, have a beautiful weekend.